Hello, Fáilte. Welcome to the Musical Pint. 2 folk songs from myself, Enda Reilly.
Came to anchor across
the first 2 episodes of the Musical Pint will launch as a podcast and as a YouTube show on the 8th of June. And each month on the 8th there will be a new episode with 2 more songs. That's the plan anyway. So please subscribe for emails at endareilly.com. Just up at the top you'll see subscribe. You can click that and put your email in and you'll get notified. Or if you're on YouTube, you can subscribe and also ring the bell. There's a little bell you can hit, which means that when I go live or when there's a new video, you'll get notifications too. So from Southfield, Michigan, Sláinte Mhaith agus Sláinte Mhaith.